Good evening, everybody. I still always got shit to do. Oh, here we are. We on this boat. So I'm opening up another can of worms, which I thought was a little soft. Like, it's pretty solid everywhere through here. You can see, like, that is solid. But right here was pushy. So I just busted through, see what I had going on. Some rot. Not so bad on this side of it, but a little bit. So there, and then they looks like they scabbed this right there a little bit or something before. I'm not real sure what. But right here, no good. I don't want somebody, to paint over top of this and then somebody step on it and it cracks the paint or whatever. Through here is good. A little bit squishy right here though, too. So I'll probably open that up. There's a line there. It looks like I said, somebody scabbed probably a section in here and used cheap plywood or something. Everywhere else, solid, man. I don't even think I got to do anything to that side. I'm not real sure. I'll get back with you on that, but that's where I'm at. I'm gonna cut a little bit of this out and start scabbing a new piece in. So yeah, baby, here we go. Kind of what I expected. Just right. Okay, so there's just so much work. Somebody put in a piece from here to there, and it was a cheap piece of wood, and it's rotted out. It is. You can see where they did it. It is what it is. We got to fix it. Well, solid here. All that's solid. But a lot of this this is all foam. This is all foam core from here back. And even from here back, some reason they scabbed a piece of wood in right here. And some of it rotted. As you can see, you're right. But it is what it is. Just more fun work, right? Just more fun work. Yep. All the rot is cut out. Should be able to scab a nice piece in here pretty easy. Let it dry out real good, But yeah, just more rot. More rot. This boat's been scabbed on before and they didn't do an excellent job. I still got to put some support in here because that flex under there. They put a crappy one over there. I'll probably redo that. But yeah, both sides I got opened up. The main thing I wanted to do was get it opened up, get some of that rot out so it can dry out real good. I want all this to be dry. This was holding water. I put a hole in the back there where it will release that now. I'll probably end up putting a little through hole fitting or something back there. But yeah, that's where we are. We're still got a project. Keeping this covered for now because that's fresh wood. It has not been resined over yet in fiberglass. I'm waiting on hatches to cut in and all that. That's where we are at this boat. Guys, thanks again for watching. Definitely give me a like, subscribe if you want to see more. She's a total mess right now, but we are getting there step by step, a little at a time each day. Alright guys, I am wrapping it up for the evening. It's just more work. I knew I was going to get into this because I felt the soft spots in this part of the side gunnels on the top cap. So here we are. I'm at it. I want to get this fixed and re-fiberglassed in. I'm getting closer where I can start fairing this top cap out. Hopefully get some primer on it, but it's just, I suppose it was like opening a can of worms everywhere I go. So, you know, little at a time, just try to fix everything I can, make it as good as I can. It ain't got to be perfect. It's an old boat, but we want to make it solid, you know. I don't want our paint flexing and cracking after we paint this thing, so I like to try to do it as right as I can, best as I can. But here we are. Y'all have a good evening. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, subscribe, follow. Y'all have a great evening.